Hey guys, look! It's a beautiful day! It's raining! Oh my god, it's so beautiful! And bulldozer and the car. It's a beautiful day! Whee! Got green on my lip. Because I was doing a dub smash of Shrek, and I thought I'll drink some Gatorade to make me look a little bit more like him. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's raining. Ooh, that's a nice Mustang, though. Anyway, I'm getting wet. Nothing usual. Anyway, it's so pretty. Can you see outside? Oh, the sun. Sun. Man, it represents sadness. But in my heart, rain makes happiness. Yay! It's beautiful. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, not really. Don't walk outside in rain unless you want to have the best time of your life. Don't do it unless you want to have so much fun. If you want to be bored, then don't come outside. But don't walk outside. Don't walk outside and see it rain. Don't walk out in the rain unless you want to have the best time of your entire life. All right, Game Boy 2000 out.